Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Keep your goals clear and stay focused on them. Losing focus stops progress. Avoid distractions and work according to your goals. Consistent focus helps you move forward faster. Setting small goals makes big goals easier to achieve. Remember your goal even in difficult times. Those who stay focused succeed. Focus keeps you on the right path. Work daily according to your goals. So if you want success, never lose sight of your goals. So that's all friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.